Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a small brush for cleaning. You will also need a container to hold screws and small parts, which is crucial for keeping everything organized during the repair process. Now, let's proceed with the disassembly. Begin by locating the screws on the underside of the Conga 5290. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in your container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the cover to access the internal mechanism. Inside, you will notice several components that may need attention. First, check for any visible debris or dust accumulation. This is where your small brush comes in handy. Use it to carefully clean around the motor and gears, ensuring there's no obstruction that could affect performance. Next, inspect the gears for damage or wear. If you notice any broken parts, it's essential to replace them. You can source these parts online or at a local hardware store. If you're unsure about what you need, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get accurate information about the necessary components. After cleaning and inspecting the mechanism, reassemble the device by placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything fits snugly to avoid any rattling during operation. If you do not have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. We'll handle the repair and provide you with a quote before any work begins, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Finally, once the Conga 5290 is reassembled, test the mechanism to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance. Knowing when to seek help can save you time and prevent further damage to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully repair the mechanism of your Conga 5290 and extend its lifespan. Remember, maintenance is key to keeping your devices in top shape. Regular cleaning and timely repairs can help you avoid larger issues down the line. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.